Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Just click here on platform. So then you come to next step here. Then you come here to flat market protection here. Click in this sign like you see. So then you click on enable here. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here flat market projection this enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.